Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and Wyatt for another unboxing. So, Zena's not here. I don't know. She's gone to her crate and decided not to join us right now. Maybe later. We'll see. So, I'm super excited because I have a Fashom unboxing for you today. So, Fashom is a subscription styling service. You get to fill out a profile, you get to pick a stylist, and then your stylist, within about 2 days, your stylist will pick out some styles for you to choose from. You get to pick up to 5 different items, put them in your cart and check out, and your box comes. Try on everything, keep what you love, send back what you don't. If you keep at least 3 items, you get a discount of 25% on those items, so not bad. If you don't like the styles that your stylist picked for you, you can request more styles to choose from. So not a bad deal, right, dude? What do you think? He doesn't know. So it does take a little bit long for you to get your box once you pick out your styles. That's the only downside. So I feel like I did this a couple weeks ago. And I got my box. I think I was out of town, so I got it a couple days ago. So this is the inside of my box. You do get a envelope to return anything you don't love. You also get an envelope with information in it. It has your invoice, note from your stylist, a little card that tells you, it says, hashtag better as I am. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. Nice little saying. And then on the other side, it tells you exactly what to do. So what is next? Try everything on in the comfort of your home. Buy what you like and send back the rest. It tells you, and there's more details on exactly what to do. So you have a prepaid mailer, goes back U.S. Postal Service, what to do if you need an exchange. For each Fashom box, they contribute $1 to Second Chance Rescue of New York City Dogs. And then you can tell us what you think, and if you keep 3 or more items, you get the 25% off. So, I will go over pricing at the end. Let's get my bundle out. Here it is. Let's get right to it. All right, first up is a top by Papermoon. I like Papermoon. Stitch Fix has Papermoon items as well. It's a little gray and white soft top with a little striping on the bottom, striping on the sleeves, and a big cutout in the back. Very cute. Next up is a cardigan by also Papermoon. It's in a floral pattern. It's also very soft. Has some funky sleeves. It's almost like a sweatshirt material, very soft, and it has, what, purples, I can't even find the sleeve here, purples and a little bit of orange and white, and then it has this solid stripe in the back. Okay, next, black jeans by Just USA. No distressing. Look like a skinny jean. Next is a top by Skies Are Blue in a floral. Has a little ruching there in the front with the buttons. Can you guys see that? Lots of pretty colors. Blue, green, red, yellow. Almost has a little bit of a peplum look to it, and also has ties at the sleeve here. Next up is another top by Papermoon. almost like a sweatshirt style. Very soft in this green color. Okay, let's try these things on and see how they work. I'll be right back. Okay, so first up is this lightweight gray top with the striping here at the wrists and at the bottom. It is very lightweight and a cozy, comfy piece. I'd call it very casual. It does have a swingy bottom, lots of room here, but it doesn't really hang too boxy, which is nice. And then it has this fun back. I did put on a black tank underneath it so you guys could just see how low it goes, which is nice. I think I could play with maybe bralettes or something in the back if I wanted to keep it. So that part is fun. It is pretty low, so it would go below your basic bra strap. You'd have to do something a little bit more creative with it. I also have on you can see past Wyatt. I do have on the Just USA black jeans. We'll step in front of him. And they fit very nicely. They have no gapping here in the back. They're a nice plain dressy black, so you could almost wear these to work as a dress pant, but they are a jean. I will sometimes just wear these in place of black dress pants, but we are allowed to wear jeans to work, so I think it just dresses everything up. So they are a nice fit. They're in a good length for me, and they're a good basic black pant. Cute. All right, let's do another outfit. All right, since I had the black tank on, I just put on this cardigan. It is a little shorter in the front than in the back, and you can see it has that green stripe down the back, which is cute. It does have these dolman-like sleeves, which are not my favorite. So they don't really, the sleeve doesn't even really start till right here. I do like the colors in it, but I'm not really liking the sleeve. And I don't think I really like the cut of this. I don't think it's very flattering on me at all. And I don't like that it's curling up here in the front either. So I do like the pattern, and I like the going into spring. I think this is a nice color, but I'm not really loving this on me. All right, let's do something else. Okay, so next up is this very soft green sweatshirt-like top. It does have the little pleating here at the shoulder. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I do like the colors in this. I think that's very pretty going into spring. It does have the banded bottom, but it's not tight. You can see it's pretty loose. So that's nice. It lets it hang well. So I do think this is a little big on me. I'm guessing this is a small. They might not have an extra small. So it's just a loose fitting top, but the sleeves are long. You guys can see that. And it's a little loose in the shoulders as well. So it's wanting to like drop a little bit lower, but it's cute. It's cute in a very casual way, I think. All right, last item is a blouse. Okay, so last item is this little blouse. It does have the buttons down the front, the little tie at the wrist, and it does have some very pretty colors in it. The green, the very pretty blue, and red, as well as yellow. If you guys can see all those. There is a little bit of yellow as well. Okay, so all of the tops that were sent to me were small, so I did double check that. Nothing was an extra small. So either that means they weren't available, they don't make them in an extra small in this brand, which that might be possible in Papermoon. So this is a bit of a peplum style. It buttons down to about here, then has the peplum band at the bottom. But it lays nicely. It's a cute top. It might be a little big on me. Now, what do you guys think? I like the colors in it. I grabbed a denim colored jacket, like blazer, out of my closet. I wanted to see if that pulled out the colors a little bit, what that would look like to dress up this outfit. But I feel like this might be a little bit big at the top. I feel like it pulls a little bit of the blue out. So there's a lot of pretty blue in here. All right, let's do a quick wrap up. So what do you guys think? I don't know. I couldn't get myself really excited about any one item. So let's go through the pricing. So all 5 items weren't badly priced. Everything would have been $182. There's a 25% discount if you keep 3 or more. That would bring it down by $45.50. And if you kept all of it, it'd be $136.50. Not bad for 5 items, right? So let's go through each item. The first item is the Crescent Emily open back top. That's this little gray top. I actually thought this was cute. It's $28. I think you could do something more exciting with it if you did a cute little bralette in the back, maybe even with white capris come spring, right? So you might be able to get this one and do something a little bit more exciting. It is a small, so I think it's a little bit big on me, but I think I could probably work with it. It's a maybe. Next up is the Just USA high-rise skinny jean. These are only $48. With a 25% discount, that's not a bad price either. These I could wear to work. They're versatile. They're a black jean. Nothing wrong with them, but nothing super exciting. They're just a nice black jean. They're a maybe. We'll see where I land here. Next up is the Papermoon Emily Contrast Black Cardigan in olive, $35. Not a bad price, but I did not like this cardigan on me. I don't like these sleeves. I didn't like the way it was cut. It's just a no for me. Next is the Papermoon Betty Brushed Hockey Flower Print Top for $30. That's this. So this is a very pretty color. Right? I like that, but I think it was a little bit big for me. It's very casual. It's cute. I'm just thinking it's not for me. So I'm thinking that's a no as well. Which leaves the Skies Are Blue Ruched Detail 3/4 sleeve top, $41. And I thought this was cute. I think it might be a little big, but I liked it. I liked the little blue flowers in it, and I thought it kind of looked cute with that jacket. What did you guys think? So that would be, if I was going to keep 3, those would be my 3, it would be the 3 maybes, right? And those 3 would be about $120, I think, minus 25% would take it down, you know, well below $100. So I'm not sure. I really have to think about it. If I need them, if it makes sense for me to keep them. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's worth keeping them? Did anything look really good? Give me some styling ideas. I would love to hear from you guys. So I will put my referral link down below for Fashom. I will also list all these items for you as well in case you want to check any of them out for yourself. Everything will be down below in the description box. So, Zena never joined us. Wyatt is crashed out here down below. He just heard his name. He's such a goofball. He always sticks with me. Yeah, he's a good boy. So, that's it for my Fashom unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so good to get back to get another video out for you all. I hope you had an awesome week. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love if you'd hit that like button and show me some support. Please consider joining the fun and hitting that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you. Till next time, everyone, have a good one. Bye.